Hello everyone, I'm not sure how I'm going to do this, but I was thinking this cover for the jungle journal that I've been kind of going through and wanting to get done. So I was thinking the tissue paper over top of this would be kind of cool. And we have this gold acrylic paint that I thought would maybe work nice on top of it and all this jazz. So this one, I have no clue. Again, I'm just going to have fun with this. If it doesn't turn out right, it doesn't turn out right. I don't normally do my covers on video, but today I'm going to. I'm just grabbing a little bit of paper towel to lay kind of underneath this cover here, and we're gonna have fun with it. Again, I don't know too much about what I'm doing here, but I think this gold underneath the tissue paper will be pretty well looking, nice looking maybe. I can be wrong. Again, this is an experiment. I just thought this gold would be kind of cool underneath and everything. So again, reason why I have that. I'm okay with a little gold going off into the sunset with this a little bit. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm keeping this cover pretty well. Again, I just wanted it covered with the gold. And this part, it really don't matter if it has gold or not. So that's what I was thinking, is we cover this with gold, the gold Viage acrylic. And I'm just going to stamp this off on the paper towel. Why not? And then what we're going to do next is stick this over top of it when it dries. And I like to air dry stuff, so this might be a couple parts, or I might do the Mod Podge off screen is what I'll probably end up doing. But I'm going to, I think, Mod Podge this on here. And you'll see parts of the gold come up. And I'm going to, oh, it's already dry. So, again, didn't have to do much in order for it to dry. Now I'm going to go get my Mod Podge quick. I have a thing already there. A brush. So grabbing the Mod Podge quick. And we're just going to Mod Podge the rice paper on. Oh. Yeah, that was a little difficult to open. But that's okay. Again, I'm just Mod Podging the rice paper on. Thank goodness this goes off and dries quickly. And I'll probably put the gold on the back side too. Just a heads up, I'm not just doing this for the front side, I'm doing it for the back too. I just wanted to get this Mod Podge part done before moving on to the rest of this. Okay. Now I'm going to Mod Podge this part. To make sure it stays glued on. Again, I haven't done this in a very long time. I'm not sure how I'm going to do this. Again, it ain't going to look perfect, but that's okay. I don't want perfection. If I wanted perfection, I never would have gotten into doing this, honestly. I would have stuck to crocheting still, or many of the other talents I had. But again, this is more, for me, has more ability to calm me down and relax me than any other crafting I've ever done. Honestly, it's so fun and easy. Now, when I'm going to do the corners, I'm going to be cutting the corners here and here, and then I'm going to glue the side portions into the cover. But I'm not going to do that right now just because I know what's going to end up happening. So that's my plan with that. I gotta wash that, obviously. But then my next portion of this cover, I was thinking, because it is a big enough cover and I just like that journal piece sitting right there. I'm thinking of taking one of these pieces that came with the kit. So I'm thinking this one, the lion one. I don't know why, but I'm always attracted to that one. With that would be kind of cool too. And I'll take my little cream here and probably go around the corners with it with my finger, and also around this with it before I glue this down. So that is my next steps. I wanted to explain to you my thought process on it a little bit. And I'm in between if I want to make this a 3-hole punch, which I don't think I'm going to. I think I'm going to leave it the way it is and just add this beauty to the edging here, so then the back of the cover will look rather pretty too. But I have this that I actually used for jelly printing to create some jelly prints on, and I love the colors on it. The blue don't really match up, but the bronze definitely does. So I thought this would be perfect to add a part of it. I could be wrong, of course, but again, I just thought that would just look gorgeous on the side. So that's what my plans are for this at this point. Again, I'm kind of waiting on this to dry, and then I'll move on to my next piece or portion of this that I need to get done. And I also need to create, I'm probably going to take a piece of craft paper or something like that and figure out what size I want the pages to be. So that will be interesting too, how I do that, because of the factor that it looks about the same size as a regular piece of paper, the journal page itself. So we'll see how we'll end up with this looking, but again, it's just a matter of figuring things out and everything. I'm going to grab my scissors quick and show you. I personally take it and snip off the corners just so then it's going to be nice and easy again to fold over when it comes down to time to add it into the journal. So that was, again, just a simple snip of the corners, and then that will be our cover. And that, I'm probably going to do the inside of gold too. So I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial on what I'm going to do and what I'm currently doing with this journal. Have a great day or night. Bye.